Good morning to all. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. How are you all?
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Have you not down the, did you go through the previous portions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
simplification by two methods. Simplification of irrational numbers. First method and second method we studied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are coming to the next topic, properties of irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers. Here we are studying different methods of solving irrational numbers. Okay, different methods of solving irrational numbers, properties of irrational numbers. Next, our topic is, you can write in your notes, topic is properties of irrational numbers. Are you writing? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, our topic is properties of irrational numbers. See, in this topic, in this particular topic, we are studying about the sum, how to find the sum, that means addition, how to add two irrational numbers, and difference means how to subtract two irrational numbers, product means how to multiply two irrational numbers, and quotient, the way to find or divide two irrational numbers. So these are today's topics. Okay, clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so the properties of irrational numbers in this first one is operations of irrational numbers. That means sum, difference, product, and quotient. Operations on irrational numbers. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, have you studied 7th standard, the algebraic expressions? You have studied 7th standard, the chapter algebraic expressions. Isn't it? Maybe you
Yes,
wonder,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you wonder if you, the topic or the chapter name you might have remembering. But see, what we are doing in that is, we are adding the like variables. You remember the like variables and unlike variables? You remember like variables and unlike variables?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like variables. Do you remember about variables?
Yes, ma'am.
Variables, do you remember? What is the speciality of the variables? Can anyone?
Alphabet numbers.
Alphabets, very good. Alphabets, we denote variables as alphabets, or alphabets we are denote as variables. So, and what about constants? What do you mean by constants?
Numbers.
Numbers. So, constants means the value is a constant, means it will not change. Clear? But variable means it varies always. So we denote alphabets as variables. And what about like variables? Like variables means? Can anyone remember? Anybody remember about like variables?
With exact value.
Like variables means
Same variable.
same, variables are same. Example is 2x and 3x. 2x and 3x. Here, when you add 2x and 3x, it will act like if you are adding 2 mangoes and 3 mangoes. What will you get? What will you get?
5x.
5x. That means when you add 2 mangoes and 3 mangoes, answer is 5 mangoes. The same commodity we are adding. Isn't it? Like that, if 2 pen and 3 pen, what is your answer? What will be
5 pen.
5 pen. Okay. Suppose if we are adding 2 pen and 3 pencils, can you add? If you have 2 pens, I am giving you 3 pencils. How will it be?
It will be same itself.
Same. That means we cannot simplify it. We'll write it as 2 pen and 3 pencils itself. Like that, if you have 2 mangoes and 3 oranges, you have 2 mangoes, I'm giving you 3 oranges. Okay, so how will you keep that? It is different. 2 mangoes is different and two mangoes are different and 3 oranges are different. We cannot keep it together. Correct? We cannot add it together. So these are the speciality of like variables and unlike variables. If 2x and 3x is 5x, but on the other hand, if 2x and 3y, can you add it? Can you add?
No, ma'am.
Can you add? You cannot add it. You will write as 2x and 3y itself. The same rule. Always when you add irrational numbers, you remember the same rule of variables, addition and subtraction. Product is some other thing. I'll explain. So for addition and subtraction of irrational numbers, you remember the same rule. Okay, I will explain. Listen. Do you remember now like variables and unlike variables?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you. See. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Can you see the board? Wheel running. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So our topic is properties of irrational numbers. In that we are dealing with the operations on irrational numbers. Okay. So first one is the sum. Take your note and write. First topic is the sum of irrational numbers. The sum of irrational numbers. Okay. And example 1 is example 1. I'll write the question and I'll explain. And next question when I give, you have to tell the answer. Clear? Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one is root 2 plus, wait, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. See, you are doing this as 3x plus 2x, or like this, 3 pen plus 2 pens. What is the answer? 3 pens plus 2 pens. What is the answer? 5 pens.
5 pence.
Very good. 5 pens. So let me ask you, what about 2x plus 3x?
5x.
5x. So you are adding the constant and write the variable like that itself. That we are doing here. You are adding the constants 3 plus 2 and you are repeat the variable there, 5x. Add 3 and 2, answer is 5. And write that variable there itself. Like the same operation in 3 root 2 and 2 root 2. The same thing.
Root
Same
2.
thing.
Root 2. 5 root 2.
5 root 2 is the answer. Very good. Answer is 5 root 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, listen. So, 5 root 2 and 3, if 3 root 2 and 2 root 2 when comes together, you have to add 3 and 2 first. And write that root 2. Did you understand? Shall I give the
Yes,
next question
ma'am.
for you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, like the variable itself, simply root 2 means 1 root 2. Clear? Simply if you are writing x, if you are writing simply x, What is the meaning of it? You have to read it as 1x. Clear? Clear, Jesslyn? Jesslyn is there? Jesslyn is there? Okay, next question. Next question. I'll give the next question. Let me move the board upwards. Second question is 3 root 3 plus simply root 3. What will be your answer? 3 root 3 plus root 3.
3.
4 root 3.
Simply root 3 means it is
1
1
root
root. So what is the answer?
4. 4 root 3.
4 root 3. Very good. Very good. Next question. Root 5 plus root 5. What is the answer? Root 5 plus root 5.
2 root
2
5.
root 5. 2
Yes.
root 5. 2 root 5.
I'll ask
5.
somebody.
2
I'll
root
ask.
5.
See. Gautam is there? Gautam?
Yes,
Gautam
ma'am.
CJ? Yes, yes. Can you tell the answer? Root
2
5
root
plus
5.
2 root 5. How did you get the answer?
Ma'am, because it's in
Root 5 means it is 1 root 5 and here also 1 root 5. So total
2.
2 root 5. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'll give the next question for you. Fourth question. Wait. Okay. Okay, children. Fourth question is 10 root 5 plus somebody is talking 2 root 5 plus 6 root 5 plus root 5. Don't tell the answer so fast. I will ask somebody to tell the answer. 10 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 6
Ma'am,
root
over.
5. Yes, I'll ask.
I'm over.
Girls, Elsa, Emerin. Elsa and Emerin.
Yes, ma'am.
Elsa is, can you tell the answer? Elsa is there?
Ma'am.
Elsa is there. Can you tell the answer, Elsa?
Ma'am, what you're saying?
Can you tell the answer? Elsa is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Yes. Do. Can you read the question, Elsa?
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute your audio and read the question.
10 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 6 root 5 plus root 5.
Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer first?
19 root 5.
Who is telling the answer in between? Let Elsa tell the answer. Elsa, you are taking this much time for adding.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Elsa, tell the answer first.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
It's very easy question. It is a very easy question. Tell the answer, Elsa. Elsa Babu,
Ma'am.
are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I send the answer.
You send the answer. Why you cannot tell the answer? You tell the answer.
Ma'am, it's in 19 root 5.
Yes, it is 90 root 5. I told you to tell the answer. You don't send it as a message. Okay.
Okay,
It will
ma'am.
take time to take the message. Okay, good, good. Correct answer it is. I hope all of you got the answer. 90 root 5 is the answer. Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Get?
Yes.
So is there any doubt in this sum? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give the next one to you. You have to tell the answer. See. Fifth question is. Fifth question is, what about root 2 plus root 3? Can you tell the answer? Root 2 plus root 3.
Root 2 plus root 3 itself.
Very good. Who told? Is it Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Srihari, good, good. Somebody else also tell the answer first. What is the answer here? Root 2 plus root 3.
Root 2 plus root 3.
Itself. Very good. The answer is root 2 plus root 3 itself. And it is not equal to root 5. It is not equal to root 5 because we cannot simplify this. We cannot simplify. Answer is the same answer. Answer is root 2 plus root 3 itself. Don't add and write as root 5 because we cannot add. These two irrational numbers are different irrational numbers. We cannot add it. Okay. I'll give one more example for you. Sixth question. Root 7 plus root 6. What is the answer?
Root 7 plus root 6.
6 itself. Root 7 plus root 6 itself. It is not equal to root 13. The same answer because we cannot simplify this. Okay. So when if you cannot add and write as root 5, it is impossible. We cannot simplify it. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about sum. Did you understand properly? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are dealing with difference. The difference. Okay. After sum, we are doing the sums in problems in difference. Okay. So we'll do it first. Write the subheading again. Write the subheading. Okay. Subheading is second one, the difference. The difference. The difference. Okay. So, as in the addition, for the difference also, we are doing the same operations as we are doing for the like variables. Okay. I'll give the example. If it is 6 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 6 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Or if you have 6 pence with you and you are giving me 2 pence. You have 6 pence with you. Right? And you are giving me 2 pence. What will be the remaining pence? Balance number of pence with you?
4 pence.
4 pence. The same thing. 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2. What is the answer? What is the answer?
2 root 2.
2 root 2.
2 root 2.
But if you have 6 pence and I told you to give 2 pencils to me, can you give?
No, ma'am.
You have only 6 pence with you and I am asking you to give me 2 pencils. You cannot give because you have only 6 pence. Clear? So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
about difference. I'll give the example. Give the example. First one is, first one, 6 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Answer is
4 root 2.
4 root 2. 4 root 2. Good. 4 root 2. Again, second question. A. Somebody's parent is talking in between. Mute your audio. And turn on your videos. Every class I used to tell you like this. Okay. So, next question is, are you writing? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is 10 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Answer is
4 root 3.
4 root 3. Okay. Third question is, what about root 5 minus root 5?
Same.
Root 5 minus
Zero.
root 5. 0. Good. Very good. It is 0. 0. And fourth example. 7 root 5 minus root 5. 7 root 5 minus root 5.
6 root 5.
Root 5. 6 root
6
5.
root 5.
Root 5.
Okay. Shall I give you next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next question is, what about root 10 minus root 8? Can you tell the answer? Root 10 minus root 8. Jerlin,
Root 10.
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell the answer? Root 10 minus root 8.
Same answer.
Is it root 2?
No,
Why?
because the two denominators are different.
So, sorry, this is not denominators. The irrational numbers are different.
Irrational numbers are
Clear?
different.
So these two irrational numbers are different irrational numbers. You cannot subtract it. And you will get, it is not equal to root 2. We will get the same answer. The answer is, you can write this step also. Okay. The answer is root 10 minus root 8. And we cannot simplify it. We cannot simplify. I'll give one more example for you. One more example. Root 7 minus root 3. I'm giving you this much examples because even if you are thinking that it is easy, but when I give the some questions for simplification, you will forget everything. And you will subtract these all things. So you don't forget, you remember the rule of algebraic expression. Ashik Joshi, can you tell the answer, Ashik? Are you listening? Ashik Joshi, you are looking somewhere.
4. Root 4.
Ashik, just now I told that you will forget all the laws, all the things when you are doing the simplification of big questions. Is it correct, Ashik? What answer is which answer you told? Can you repeat the answer?
Root 4.
Root 7 minus root 3. Is it root 4? Is it root 4, Ashik? You are not listening to the class. I noticed that you are looking somewhere else. Where are you? Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
You are turning around and not listening to the class.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Can you tell the answer now? Look at the fifth question. Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the fifth
ma'am.
question.
I am only getting the root 2.
Root 7 minus root 3. Can you tell the answer? Tell the answer. I will not leave you.
Root 4. Ma'am, root
Ashik.
4 no.
Root 7 minus root 3. Ashik, look at the board. Look at the board.
No.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Just now I have drawn a round and circle something. Eh?
Ma'am.
Yes,
root
can you see
7
that?
Minus,
Can you see that?
yes, ma'am. Root 7. 3.
Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Then tell the answer of this.
Ma'am, root 7 minus
Minus root 3. What is the answer?
that's
Ashik, are you telling the answer? I cannot hear you. Can you simplify that?
root the answer.
Answer is not telling. Answer I am not hearing.
Ma'am, I will do that.
Ashik, are you playing with me?
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, can you hear me?
I can hear. Now I can hear. Can you tell the
Root
answer?
7.
Minus
Root
root
7
3.
minus root 3.
What is the answer?
That is the same answer because it cannot be simplified.
Very good, very good, very good. The same thing I asked you so many times. And you told the answer as
Ma'am,
root 4.
after that I said, but
Okay, I did not hear.
connection
Okay,
couldn't
okay,
get.
Ashik. Thank you. So listen to the class properly. Good, okay. Listen to the class. Don't turn around. I'll ask you again some questions. So listen to the class. So root 7 minus root 3. We cannot simplify. Answer is root 7 minus root 3 itself. And note that it is not equal to root 4. It is not equal to root 4. Clear? Clear, Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Seventh question. Okay, Ashik, listen. Seventh question is 10 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 11 root 5. 10 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 11 root 5. Simplify and tell the answer.
17 root 5.
Okay. Emerin
18
is
root
there.
5.
Emerin, wait. Emerin is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you tell the answer?
Ma'am, I am doing, ma'am.
Do it.
Over.
I'm over.
Ma'am, over.
Okay, let me see. Emerin, done?
Ma'am, 18 root 5.
Are you Emerin? Emerin, will you tell the answer? Yes? For this simple type questions, you are taking this much time for doing. See, I'm waiting 5 or 6 minutes to get the answer. And whenever I ask question, you have some connectivity issues.
That's not our problem, ma'am. It's your Polino. Ma'am,
Yes.
18 root 5.
Very good. How did you get the answer? 10 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Answer is 7 root 5. Yes. Tell the answer. What is the answer? Emerin?
18 root 5, ma'am.
Very good. 18 root 5. And next question. 8th question. Are you ready? 7 root 3. Do it and I will ask you.
Ma'am, it is 17, right?
10 minus 3 is? What is
7.
10 minus? Who asked this? Who asked this?
I'm not able to hear you.
Who asked this?
Lakshmi.
Who?
Lakshmi.
Srihari.
Lakshmi Nanda.
Lakshmi Nanda. Lakshmi Nanda, what is 10 minus 3? Lakshmi Nanda, what is 10 minus 3?
Ma'am, by mistake, I just counted it wrongly, I think.
Okay. So can you tell the next one? 8th
Ma'am, I am
question.
not
Do
able
fast
to
and Lakshmi Nanda should tell the answer.
Hear you.
Do it fast.
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Who is that?
Ashik.
Ashik. It's okay, Ashik. Okay then. Lakshmi Nanda, tell first. Lakshmi Nanda, tell the answer.
16 root 3.
How did you get? 7 root 3 minus, what is the answer of root 3? What is the coefficient of root 3? Is it 1 root 3? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
7 root 3 minus root 3 is 6 root 3. 6 root 3 plus 9 root 3 is 15 root 3. I hope you got the answer properly. Do you have any doubt in this?
No,
Do you have any doubt?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, one more question. I want to clarify. See. Okay. What is root 5 minus root 5? Tell the answer.
0.
0. Very good. Now what about root 3 plus root 3?
2
root 3.
2 root 3. Very good. What is root 3 plus, root 5 plus root 5 plus root 5?
3 root 5.
3 root 5. Very good. Then what is 4 root 7 plus 1 root 7, 4 root 7 plus 4 root 7 minus 3 root 7. Tell the answer first.
5 root 7.
5 root 7.
5 root 7. How did you get the answer? 4 plus 4?
4.
4 plus 4 8.
Very good, very good. Answer is 5 root 7. Okay. Then,
Okay, ma'am.
one more question.
Okay.
You have to remember this. What is root 7 plus root 3?
Root 7 plus root 3.
Say root 7 plus root 3 because we cannot simplify. And what about root 3 minus root 2?
Root 3 minus root 2.
Same answer because it is different rational numbers. You cannot simplify it. Okay. Shall I wind up the class now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Of course.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
This is only one period you have today, maths period.
Thank you, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I wind up the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir.
Yes, okay, wind up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. They have understood it.
Thank you,
From
sir.
the answers, I feel they have understood.
Okay, sir. So next topic is product and quotient, sir. So it may be in for Tuesday. It is for Tuesday because today 9 no period. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, children, bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.